Hey there, what's up guys? It's Keeling Bacot here. Today I'm going to be playing Do Not Press the Button, so let's get started. Actually, never mind, let's just quit. So I'm going to play like this one, play it in the memories. So I'll start doing that, but we made. So let's go. Okay, let's go. It's rising, uh-oh. Lava's coming out. I can see nothing. No, I can make it! Seriously? Seriously already? $100? Okay. This is... Ah! That's the only way we would do. You're cheated. You cheated, Scallywag. Let's see what this quest is. Is it this way? Nope, not this way. Wait. Definitely this might be escape. No, not that. This maze is so hard. Hey! Thank you. You're starting to use it to cheat. Let's go. Come on. No! At least I'm in there. Well, it's not fire. It's... Oh. Burger. Oh. 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 Oh my. Oh. 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 What the heck is just happening? Ah! 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 Ah. Let's press this button to see what happens. Ah! It's jumping time. Sorry if I just moved this because I need to relax and play. I don't know what's gonna, but I'm gonna say no. Yeah, no. Okay, let's press this button to see what happens. Just follow along. Which one should I go? This way. That way? Okay, wait. Can I see the guy? No, I guess not. Not that one. Jeez, this is so hard. Right, guys? Wait. Sounds coming over there. Right now, I'm just playing. This is so hard, bruh. I need to get out of here. I don't know how to escape this. Just press. Oh no. I have to push it. Push. Push. Push it! No. Oh no. I need to get out of here! What a beautiful string! Let's try again. What the? Spinning. Oh! I have to go this way. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Let's go this way. Oh my, oh no. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Ah. Why is it going faster? Let's go! Okay. Yellow's gone. Red one's gone. The next is blue or green. Still red, what? Okay. Let's go trick or treat. I don't know about the option. Trick or treat. Yes. I got some candy. Let's go. And just go in the head! What? Quick. Oh, don't eat this lava. I need to get. How does the head stay all the way? Shoot. What? This is so difficult. Let's just go this way. That makes me no sense. Wait a minute. Okay, someone's coming over there. Huh? Start over there. How does it coming from? What is this guy's fighting about? There's a noise. Oh no. Okay. Move out of the way, Sennings. I'm trying to do my business. Okay. I told you to watch out for these. Come on, Cooper, tough guy. That's weird. Oh. Oh, come on! The gosh. Let's press this button to see what. Oh! Oh, it's you. You. Get out. Just spawns in. Go! What? There's so many more. The heck? Crazy kid. Get away! Get the heck away, Gooper kid. What are crazy kids? Get over here! See what's gonna happen. Trampoline time! Alright guys, this is the end of the video. If you're watching it, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, see you next video. Bye.